Apple's MacBook Air M4 15-inch has finally arrived, bringing with it the latest in Apple silicon advancements and a refined, ultra-thin design. But does it truly redefine the thin and light laptop category, or is it just a minor iteration? Let's break it down. Design and build: thin, light, and premium. The first thing you'll notice about the M4 MacBook Air 15-inch is just how impossibly thin it is. Apple has managed to keep the design sleek, maintaining the same 11.5 millimeters thickness from the M2 variant, but now with even better thermal efficiency. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms, this laptop is one of the lightest 15-inch notebooks in the world. The colors and finish. Apple offers the M4 MacBook Air in 4 classic colors: Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and Space Gray. Midnight now features an improved anodization process that significantly reduces fingerprints, finally addressing a major issue users had with the previous generation. Display: stunning, but is it pro level? The 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display is absolutely stunning, boasting 500 nits of brightness, P3 wide color, and true tone for accurate colors and deep contrasts. While it lacks the 120 Hz promotion found on MacBook Pros, it still offers an immersive and vibrant viewing experience that's more than adequate for most users. Resolution: 2880 by 1864 pixels. Brightness: 500 nits. Technology: IPS LCD, not mini LED or OLED. For everyday tasks, creative work, and media consumption, the screen is fantastic. However, video editors and pro creatives may still find themselves longing for HDR support and a higher refresh rate. Performance: the M4 chip is here. The biggest update comes with the M4 chip, which brings a notable jump in performance compared to the M2 MacBook Air and even slightly outperforms the M3 MacBook Air. CPU and GPU power. CPU: 10-core, faster single-core, and multi-core performance. GPU: 10-core, upgraded GPU architecture with hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Neural Engine: 16-core, optimized for AI-based tasks. Apple claims up to 30% faster CPU performance and up to 50% improved GPU performance over the M2 chip. Real-world benchmarks show that it handles 4K video editing, heavy multitasking, and gaming much better than previous Air models. Battery life: best in class. Apple's efficiency magic continues, offering up to 18 hours of battery life. Thanks to the 3 nanometers process of the M4 chip, power efficiency is significantly improved, meaning you can go all day without reaching for the charger. Keyboard, trackpad, and speakers. Apple's best yet? Magic Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard remains one of the best laptop keyboards available, offering a tactile and comfortable typing experience. It's backlit, quiet, and well-spaced, making it a joy to use for long writing or coding sessions. Trackpad. The Force Touch trackpad is massive and responsive, with incredible haptic feedback. If you've used a MacBook before, you know Apple's trackpads are in a league of their own. Speakers. The 6-speaker sound system, with force-canceling woofers, produces impressive stereo separation, clear mids, and deep bass. It's arguably the best speaker setup on any thin and light laptop. Ports and connectivity, still minimal. Apple sticks to the minimalist approach with just 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a MagSafe charging port, and a headphone jack. While it's great for simplicity, Pro users may need a USB-C hub for additional connectivity. Thunderbolt 4x2, MagSafe charging, 3.5mm headphone jack. M4 MacBook Air versus M2 MacBook Air. Is it worth upgrading? If you're coming from an M2 MacBook Air, the upgrades in performance, battery efficiency, and GPU enhancements are noticeable but not game-changing. If you already own an M3 MacBook Air, this upgrade isn't necessary. However, if you have an Intel MacBook or an M1 Air, the jump to M4 is absolutely worth it. Final verdict: should you buy it? The M4 MacBook Air 15-inch is a near-perfect balance of performance, portability, and battery life. It's the best option for students, professionals, and casual creators who want a larger display without the pro price tag. Pros: white heavy checkmark, stunning, thin and light design. White heavy checkmark, excellent battery life, 18 hours. White heavy checkmark, powerful M4 chip with improved GPU. White heavy checkmark, bright and color-accurate display. White heavy checkmark, fantastic speakers and trackpad. Cons: crossmark, no promotion, 120 Hz refresh rate. Crossmark, no additional ports, USB-A, SD card slot missing. Crossmark, not a major upgrade from M3 MacBook Air. Final score: 9 out of 10. The best 15-inch MacBook Air yet. Who should buy it? Students and professionals needing an ultralight laptop. Content creators who don't require promotion or HDR. Travelers and remote workers needing long battery life. Who should skip it? Pro video editors who need HDR and higher refresh rates. M3 MacBook Air users, not a huge jump in performance. Would you upgrade to the M4 MacBook Air 15-inch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Rock it!